Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem. Show that 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan divided by 1 minus cos whole square is equal to tan square a. Okay. Now see, this is in fact like this. I hope you are able to see this. 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, we should prove that this is equal to tan square a. Okay, and we should also prove that 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. Okay, if we can prove this, we will also prove that 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan divided by 1 minus cot whole square. Okay, that's why we have this is equal to this is equal to tan square a. Alright, let us prove this. We know an identity. Okay, what is that identity? I'll write here. See, secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Okay, so in place of this one, let us write secant square a minus tan square a, and this is tan square a whole divided by, we know one more identity. See, in place of this one we will write cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Okay, so this will become cosecant square a minus cot square a, this cot square a. Okay, all right. Now see, why did we do that? Because this tan and this tan square will get cancelled, this cot square and this cot square will get cancelled. What are we left with now? We are left with secant square a divided by cosecant square a. If we simplify this, we'll get tan square a. How? Let us see. What is secant? Can we write it as 1 by cos? Yes, so this will be 1 by cos a divided by, what is cosecant? This will be 1 by sine, so this will be 1 by sine square a. This is division of division, right? So this becomes 1 by cos square a, this big division will become multiplication, this 1 by sine square a will become reciprocal, so this will be sine square a divided by 1. Now this is sine square a divided by cos square a, it is tan square a. Okay, we proved this. Now come to this one, 1 minus tan divided by 1 minus cot. See, this tan we can write it as sine by cos, so this is 1 minus sine a by cos a whole divided by 1 minus this cot we can write it as cos by sine. Okay, so here it is 1 by 1, here it is 1 by 1. All right, now denominators are different, 1 into cos, let us write cos. Denominators are different, multiply the denominators and cross multiply these numbers. 1 into cos is cos a minus sine into 1 is sine a whole divided by, here 1 into sine a, cross multiply this, 1 into sine a is sine a minus cos a into 1 is cos a. All right, okay, don't forget the square sign, whole square, I forgot that. Okay, now this is division of division, right? So this will become cos a minus sine a divided by cos a. Okay, this big division will become multiplication, this will become reciprocal, this will be sine divided by sine a minus cos a whole square. Okay, whole square is there, which means, see, square is for this, right? I'll remove this also, square is for this, square is for this one, square is for this, and whole square like this. All right, now see, we have cos a minus sine a whole square, in the denominator we have sine a minus cos a whole square. Okay, so I'll tell you that these two are same, this and this are same. Okay, I'll prove why they are same. Just let me rub this. We don't need this now, right? Because we have already proved it. Okay. All right. So see here. I'm telling you that a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square are same. A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? This one b square minus 2ba plus a square. See, we have plus a square here, so plus a square, minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square will be equal. Okay. Or see, cos minus sine whole square and sine minus cos whole square will be equal. So these two are in fact equal. So what do we have now? Sine square a divided by cos square a. Sine square a divided by cos square a will be tan square a. Okay. We first proved that this was equal to tan square a, and here we proved it. This is equal to tan square a. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.